Our Blue Ridge. We're here at Putt Putt Fun Center with our friend David Mitchell here, and there's a special haunted house for all of you people who love to be scared out there, starting this weekend. David, tell us a little bit about what's going on.
Yeah, this is the 11th year we do our haunted house. What's unique about our haunted house is it's geared for kids under 12.
Okay.
It doesn't mean that you can't come in if you're older than 12, but we actually gear it for kids under 12.
Well, that's a good thing, because a lot of the haunted attractions that are around are for teenagers, they're for older people, for grown-ups even. It might be a little intense for little kids. So you guys have dialed it back a little bit then.
Yeah, we have. There's nothing else like this around, and that's kind of how we came up with it, but it seems to be getting stronger every year.
All right.
Okay, so what kind of things can we expect? I scare easy, so this is probably perfect for me.
Well, nobody's going to be touched,
Okay.
but we are going to put some thoughts in your mind. And it is good. Just the scenes alone, the music, the smoke, you know, the noises are enough to scare most people. But, you know, you have a choice of, do you want the full thing or do you want us to tone it down a little?
Oh, really? So if you brought a group and you thought, okay, we've got some really little ones here, you guys can dial it back even more than you ordinarily
would. No doubt, yeah.
And adjust it.
Oh,
that's good.
That's good to know.
And you've got group rates too, right?
Yeah, we have group rates. We are only open Fridays and Saturdays from 5 to 10.
Okay.
But we'll open any time for groups.
All right.
They can also come out. It's still got, you know, another month or so of good weather. We're going to put haunted things on our golf course so they can play the haunted putt-putt course also.
Cool. And what about birthday parties too, right?
Yeah, birthday parties, we encourage them. Since a lot of our parties are on Saturdays, we encourage them to dress up, and for half price they can add on to the party and go through the haunted house too. But, you know, they can wear their costumes to the birthday parties.
All right. So, and you're going to give us a little bit of a sneak peek of what you've got in the haunted house. It's just new stuff, right? It's different every year.
It's different every single year. There's nothing this year that we had last year.
Oh,
so it's totally different. If I can find my guide, I will take you through.
All right. Are you up to the challenge, Natalie?
I think so.
She's a big chicken. Big chicken.
I really am. The sounds, and like you were saying, the sounds and the music and then the darkness, that's all it takes to get me scared. So.
Yeah, and I'll need to check y'all's ID before we go into it.
Okay.
Make sure we're 12?
Yeah,
12 or under.
Make sure you're
Okay.
Well, let's take a look.
All right, come on.
All right. Sounds good.